In this video, I'll show you how to sign in into your PlayStation account in case you have forgot your password. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to go, this is the main screen of your PlayStation. Go on the top right corner where you see an avatar. From here, click Switch User. Then click Add User. And from here, we're going to select on Get Started, this option. Click Agree after reading this. And now we have two options to sign in, but since we have forgot our password, they're not very useful. So what we need to do is to press on the controller, the triangle. Now it's time to enter the email address associated with your PlayStation account. So go ahead, type it right over here. Let me do it. Press Done. Press Next. And now it will send on that email a message. Let's check my email. So this is how the email should look. It's from Sony and you're gonna get a blue button that says recover your account. Then you're gonna be brought up on the Sony website and you're gonna click on create password. And from here you'll have to create a brand new password and simply retype that password that you just created. Once you're done, click OK. And the new password will be registered. Over here on the screen of your PlayStation, press OK. And now it's time to sign in. We have two choices. You can sign in using a QR code using the PlayStation app, or you can sign in manually if you prefer typing your email address and also your password using the controller. I'll sign in using the QR code because it's a lot quicker. So let me show you how to do it. So this is the PlayStation app. Click on the cogwheel, go down, click on click on scan QR code, and now simply point the phone towards the QR code, press approve, click OK. And just like that, you see it took less than 15 seconds. It's much quicker to sign in using your phone. I have been able to log in into my PlayStation account. So now click on sign in. Click next. Here it's up to you to choose whatever. Click apply. Click confirm and continue. Here it's up to you if you want every time you turn on your PlayStation to require a login passcode. If you don't want that, just keep it off. Here too, if every time you're gonna check out and buy some games, do you want them to ask for a password? Well, again, it's up to you. If you have I don't know, somebody else using your PlayStation account, your user account, it's good to have them turn on so they don't start buying stuff without you knowing. Anyway, click OK once you have selected whatever is your preference, and now you just have to wait a bit more. Here you're not obligated to do this. You can click on do this later. It's not that important. Click OK. And finally, here we go. We are finally logged in into your PlayStation account. If in the future you want to sign out, you just need to go into the settings, click users and account. And from here, go all the way down and select other and then select sign out. This way you're gonna sign out. So this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.